Hi guys, welcome back to another video where today we're checking out 3 more Tarmac Works models. But before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe and also share the video around as it really does mean a lot. And also comment any new models you would like to see on the channel. But without further ado, let's jump straight in. Starting off first with this Renault 5 Maxi Turbo from the Tour de Course Rallye de France in 1985, and this one was the winner of that course. Now you can see on the bottom it's got the name of the car and also the two drivers, the driver and the co-driver, and it also comes with the red and blue to match the car as well. Also coming with the dirt background and also the dirt base to act as some sort of diorama if you don't have one. So that's quite cool and quite unique for Tarmac Works to put the bases quite different to just the standard black or the standard plain. Obviously still come with the Tarmac Works, the Renault 5 Maxi Turbo on the base as well. But you did see it come with two little stickers, or a little sticker sheet with some Rothman stickers which you can apply if needed. But overall the base and the design of the model itself on the base is very cool. But obviously we like to see the model up close, which again was very impressive. Now I'm personally a huge rally fan, so I was super excited to check this model out and super excited to put it in my diorama. Now you can see the detail on this model is very good. You can see the headlights and the spotlights on the front being the plastic pieces, and same for the tail lights on the rear, and also come with the front plate as well as the rear as well. You can also see in the rear window there is the spare wheel and also the full roll cage with the bucket seats and harnesses on the interior as well. Now the paint and the decals are applied very well. You can see the colours are super vibrant, and the decals have absolutely no way you can see where they've applied, and they just look very well applied in general. Now you can see there is an aerial on the top of the car which is a little bit delicate, so I would be careful with that, and same with the wing mirrors as always with these models. It does have the window wipers on the front, which is a nice effect, and obviously you did see that the wheels, they do spin but they do get a little bit stuck. But overall you can see this model looks very well done. Overall I think the detail and the proportion is absolutely excellent, as Tarmac do that very well with these sort of race, rally, GT3 style cars. Obviously this fitting in the rally category, but you can see fitting in a diorama it looks very cool. All the small decals very readable, and the colours super vibrant. But that now brings us onto the second model of the video, which is this Mazda RX7 FC3 drift car. Now as you can see, this comes in the blue and white packaging to match the blue and white car, and you can see it's also got the same sort of base as a diorama to the first Renault 5 Turbo, similar to the background as well to represent the full diorama effect if you do keep it in the case. You can also see that this model comes with a certificate to notify that it is numbered. As you can see, it comes with the details, the chassis number, and the number to notify it's number 2462. Again, not too sure on the full amount that it is out of, so you will have to let me know in the comments if you do know. Again, with the diorama base, you can see this representing the sort of drift effect. Obviously this being a drift car, you can see it's very cool and does sort of look realistic in the packaging. Obviously not so much just on its own, but you can still tell the effect that they're going for, obviously with the Tarmac and the Mazda RX7 still on the front just like normal. But now with the model in hand, you really can see the detail on some of them decals. Now some of the really small ones, they are absolutely minuscule, but you can still read them very clearly, which I was super impressed with, as you have seen Tarmacs in the past which haven't been the best. But you can also see on the front of the model, you have got that really detailed intercooler with the open front bumper, which I think is a really cool detail, and also the fact that it does come with two different colour wheels, which you will see. Now you can see that the wheels do spin absolutely freely and perfectly, as you do expect with Tarmac Works models, but there isn't a brake disc or caliper behind them, which I was a little bit disappointed in. Now you can see the detail on the taillights is absolutely phenomenal, and especially the rear of the model in general with the exhaust. You can see the full exhaust system on the underneath of the car as well. But you will see there is something that I will point out here on the tyres, is that the rim does overhang the tyre quite a bit, and you cannot actually push the tyre to fit the rim perfectly. Now I don't know if this was intentional, I'm not too sure, but it is quite annoying as the tyre doesn't quite fit the rim. But you can see overall this model is really well done. The intricacy in the wing mirrors is really nice as well. As you can see, they're very nicely done. The intricacy with the actual model in the front bumper and the tail lights is really well done as well. The wheels obviously being different colours, the only thing with the overhang on the rim. But you can see the interior as well when the model is in hand. It's got a fairly nice detail. Obviously Tarmac are very good at interior detail. But overall you can just see this model is really well done. My favourite part personally is the open front bumper with the intercooler. As you know, I'm huge on the grills and the intercooler, so you know that is definitely one of my things that I will point out. Same for the exterior with the tail lights and the detail there, especially in the depth and the colours. It's really well done. Obviously there's a few things like the wheels and the back window. Obviously I know the back window is a realistic thing, but I think it could have been made a little bit better. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. But that now brings us on to the third and final model of the video, which is this Lancia HF Inari in this really nice violet colour. As you can see, the packaging also matching the colour of the car, just like the previous two models, but this time the base just a little bit different. But you can see this model also numbered, but this one number 563, quite a bit lower, also displaying the chassis number as well. But like I mentioned, the base a little bit different. You can just see that nice design of the black and the purple split down the middle, or split in diagonally should I say. But again, you can still see the Tarmac Lancia HF Inari on the front, obviously the Tarmac in the Tarmac logo. But the standout for me is the detail and the paintwork on this model. Obviously there's no crazy kit or crazy decals, but you can just see how well done the paint and the detail in this model really is. That HF logo in the front grille, and just the front grille in general, plus the headlights, very well done. And you can see the wheels, the nice fan type wheels. They don't really spin too well, but again, they look super realistic. The back ones are quite stuck, but you can see that cream interior really standing out, with the interior also having some nice detail on the dashboard as well, as you did see there. But you can see the door handles even having the nice plastic trim, and also the rear of the model having the blue Inari badge with the Lancia logo, the Lancia Delta Inari on the back, and the tail lights being very nicely coloured. All the different shades, the oranges, the reds, again just very nicely done. There's also obviously the little details like the window wipers on the front and the rear window wiper on the rear of the model, and also the interior having the rear view mirror as well, just adding to that level of detail. The door handles again just keep on adding the fuel filler cap, the detail and the depth on the tail lights, the exhaust, the badges, the heated rear window effect, the trim. It all just keeps adding to this realistic effect that Tarmac have produced here, and it really has worked. Let me know what you think in the comments with this model. Have they absolutely smashed it, and what do you think they could improve on? Obviously there are multiple colours of this model. But now, with all the models reviewed, let me know what you think is the best one in the comments down below. Do you think it's the Rally Renault 5 Turbo, the Drift RX7, or the regular Lancia Delta? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe if you are new, and also share the video around. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.